गुड इवनिंग। आज मैं आपको कक्षा 7 का एक चैप्टर है वो ग्रामर का है, उसका नाम है नाउन। उसके बारे में आज मैं कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ। चलिए
Let's get started.
A noun is a word that indicates the name of a person, a place, a thing or an idea. The two main types of nouns are proper noun and common noun. Proper nouns are words which refer to the particular means of people, places and things. Proper nouns always begin with the capital letters. First example is the Mesopotamian civilization developed on the banks of the Tigris and the Euphrates. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Common nouns are words that refer to person or thing of the same kind or general category. Examples: the student listened attentively while the teacher explained the problem. He owns a shop on the main street of the town. Look at these common nouns and their corresponding proper nouns. Common nouns or proper nouns. Common nouns: river, mountain, girl, boy, state. Proper noun: Godavari, Himalayas, Nandani or Vivek, Himachal Pradesh. This is your homework for today. Now get started the countable and uncountable noun. Countable nouns can be classified into countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are names of things that can be counted. They can be singular or plural. Examples: in a class there are 20 boys and 12 girls. In a classroom there are 32 chairs and 2 cupboards. A singular noun is the name of a single person or thing. Example: satellite or volcano. A plural noun is the name of more than one person or thing. Example: emerald fountain. Uncountable nouns are names of things that cannot be counted. They do not have singular or plural forms. Example: I have cut every day in summer. Please add more sugar to my coffee. Buy some bread when you go out. We can indicate the quantity of uncountable nouns in 2 days with units of measurement such as liter and kilo. Examples: 2 kilos of sugar, 5 liters of water, 2 loaves of bread, with words such as little, a little, some, and much. Examples are little rice, much happiness, some juice. Concrete and abstract noun. Concrete noun refer to things that we can touch or see. They can be both countable and uncountable. Example: box, bag, bottle, car, key, table, milk, oil, butter. Abstract noun refer to things which we cannot see or touch but only feel. They include feelings, experience, states, qualities, and ideas. Examples: love, hate, pride. Feelings and emotions: comfort, joy or courage. States: freedom, truth or belief. Qualities, ideas. Collective noun. Collective nouns are nouns that refer to a group of people or things. Example: the committee arrived at the decision together. The audience cheered for the performance loudly. The class maintained complete silence while the principal was in the room. Other collective nouns include army, jury, troop, and family. Now material noun. Material nouns refer to materials or substance used to make things. Example: paper, glass, coal, wood, iron, wool. And last one is compound noun. Compound nouns are nouns that are performed by combining 2 or more words. Compound nouns are formed by combining words belonging to different part of speech. Noun plus noun, adjective plus noun, noun plus verb, verb plus adverb, tooth plus brush, green plus house, hair plus cut, take plus off, toothbrush, greenhouse, haircut or take off. Compound nouns can be written as a single word: firewood, bedroom, and pancake. Hyphenated word: check in, dry cleaning, jack in the box. Spaced word: bus stop, water bottle, post office.